If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So, may dumating na naman tayong package guys. So, this is a BGS. Actually, hindi ko alam ano yung mga grade dito kasi hindi tayo in-update ni BGS about this. Hindi man lang siya nag-email or something. Pero yeah, yun o, ngayon pa lang natin open. So, it contains, I think, ang dami-dami. 1, 2, and 3. So, nice. First time vlogging agad with the camera, real camera. Hindi na gamit cellphone no? Unahin natin to, first box. Pero open natin lahat para minsanan. Actually, may card tayo dito. Anyways, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos. Or you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya, Ready Game Start, here in Tarlac. So, sabay-sabay natin makikita ang grade. Uy, good signs pag nakikita ka ng gold label. Ito na kaya yung bagong ano. Ayan, dito na lang para makita sa screen. First, oops, Manga SP BGS9. What the heck, 9 lang. Next one, Uta BGS 9.5. May black kaya dito. Boa Hancock BGS 9.5. Ito pa rin yung lumang ano. Kasi yung bago nandito na sa left side. Gum Gum Luffy BGS 9.5 din. Next one. What the heck? Shanks BGS 9. And Luffy promo BGS 9. Ayaw talaga ako ng BGS guys Rayleigh BGS 9.5. And Gear 2 BGS 9. Grabe. And this is mine guys. This is mine. 9.5 SPR Gohan. Kaya 9.5 Surface 9. Grabe Tingnan nyo guys walang yan. Hindi ba ako binigyan ng 10? Uy, sit. Next box. Nakakairita naman Dito patong natin para makita sa frame. Boa Hancock 8.5. Yun na yung pack na yan. Guys. Focus. Wanted Shanks 9.5. Ito Manga Luffy 9.5 din. Wala ba akong 10? Manga Nami 9.5. 9. Mas maganda pa to Akin to guys. Ito yung una kong biniling mahal na card. 6K ko binili yan. Mababa na ng price ngayon. Another one. BGS 10 naman to. And Zoro Juro 9.5. 9.5. 9.5 and 9.5. Grabe. Hindi tayo binibigyan ng 10 Buisit na yun. Last box guys, last box. Yan. Hindi ko pa alam mga grades dito guys. Never pa ako nakapag-black label. And 9.5 year 2. Teka guys, may tumatawag. La!
Yeah.
Ah.
Pwede ba magbayad sa Gcash?
Oh, pwede yata. 9.5 din. Puro 9.5. Mamaya.
Oh, sige.
Oh, sige. Next, binibilisan na lang natin. Mangga sabot. Ito, at least nag-10. First 10 natin for today. Mangga sabot. Lang yan, dami nun. Isang 10. Mangga sanji. 9.5 din. Lang yan, isa lang palang 10. Red Manga Sabo. 9.5 din sa English and Japanese. Asia Exclusive, 9.5. Stasi, 9.5. Then, Baggy, BGS 10. Monkey D. Luffy, 9.5 din. And, last, 9.5. Buset. Ba't ganun? Buset na yan. Puro 9.5. Anyways guys, ganyan talaga BGS. Sobrang hirap magpag-grade yan. Kaya if you're interested, mas mahal yung BSA pero hindi siya sobrang ganito. Sobrang nakakasakit. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Gamit ko na tong pang vlog kong camera for my videos. Ayoko na kasing gamitin to guys. So yun lang guys. Bali, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos or you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya Ready Game Start here in Tarlac. So until next time guys, this is batch 4 yata ng BGS or batch 5. Nakalimutan ko na. Puro PSA tayo eh. So, see you next video. Peace. Bye-bye.